So everybody, artificial intelligence is the rage, and it's going to be the rage forever. It's unbelievable how it's going to displace so many people in the industry. What we know is that AI is not going to replace your advisor, but it will expose the bad ones. And in the DST space, that's absolutely the case, because one of the things that we like to say is you can run, but you can't hide. And what AI is now doing is, imagine that you get a private placement memorandum from your local broker that is espousing a flawed swap till you drop, high fee, non-fiduciary solution. And it says you should buy this particular DST, single property, single risk DST from this particular sponsor because they're the best in the world. And they're going to make you a fortune and you're going to be the happiest person that ever lived. Well, you can take that exact PPM and using AI, have AI analyze it. You can still use the third-party firms like the FactRights and the law firm that's out there, and the Blue Vault, and there's a number of third-party due diligence firms out there. But now there's a fourth player in town, which is like a ChatGPT. So you download it and you can ask it anything you want. So if you are at all interested in any red flags, and specifically any hidden fees, things you don't understand, as long as you just write it in, you're going to get the answer. And then, of course, you can double check with us because we have all that. So what we've done is we've created a guide, which we call it the AI prompt guide, so that you know what questions to ask. Because if you don't really know what questions to ask, you're not going to be as efficient at it. So if you're interested, give us a call. We'll send you our free AI prompt guide, and you can do your due diligence to your heart's desire, and it'll be pretty unbiased, I'd say. That's kind of it. Use AI.